Brio ialeh kai cricket nagabenta ke jelam Meghalaya ya belatip kerteng ke Lakhan Singh. Ubel ialeh kai Shah Ranji Trophy. Layok kubor buulah Shoh ke kenhon kirunar hakamiat jangka sautrik risau arhajar arpulai ke badai ke Sengi balang. Bat kini ke jengja kelaja hakathan Anjali Petrol pump. Lakhan Singh ula batai bahakan ke jengja uletho bakalaja hakapor budang dan haklenti menit celayeng ke badan haj halupara. Hendrai onda ulapoi hakathan Anjali kalawan kawai kekali Celerio ke badan number ML not san AA not lai pra iwe. Bat kalapan sange halenti bat khang lenti yu. Bat hakane kapor kiladon kibrio ke belahir nakane kekali bat kilalet ban Shoh yu. Uli thuru bakini kibrio kidai ke belah songset kau yang bat kibla berngam ru yu ban lek dek bateng e yu. Hakane ke jengjau Lakhan Singh ula mensau nagi benta jong kemut bat kesentur. Ula ujoh dek ejahar ha ka cantonment beat house persya kini gedong tombor bat dawar uniki pulet bakin kamar dor ya kini gerunar.
The car was Celerio. It was Celerio. The number was ML05AA0381. And in the car there was only one person, the driver, a fatty guy. He was fat. He stopped me, he started talking, and then rest of the guys came from the other side. From behind and all they came. And they started charging me. They all were drunk, totally drunk. They all were totally drunk. And without no reason, nothing, I don't know what was my fault. I didn't say anything. I was going on my way. I didn't talk to them. Nothing. They stopped me and they started harassing me and they assaulted me also. Police personnel were not there, but other pedestrians were there when they charged me when I ran, and they helped me out with washing my face and all. The blood was coming out from my lips and all. They helped me, they brought water, they cleaned up, and they helped me to search my slippers and all. Everything was there only. I ran barefooted till the beat house, cantonment beat house. So I went there and then I filed a complaint and they took me for the medical and all. They did the medical and all, everything. And after that they said that okay, we'll take an action, we'll search. And they have searched the vehicle also, online registration they have seen. And the number, the phone number was given there. They are calling that number, but the guy is saying that this number is mine, but the vehicle is not mine. So I hope so police gets them as soon as possible.
They all locals or were they any? Can you?
All of them were locals only, because the way they were talking in Khasi, I knew that yeah, they are from here only, and I can recognize if they come in front of me. I will be able to recognize them.
So have you submitted the FIR and?
Yeah, I have submitted an FIR in the police station, cantonment beat house. So they said okay, we'll look after that. We'll take an action immediately as soon as possible. We'll get the car and then we'll take an action.